Hi guys, in this tutorial I'll show you how to swap backgrounds in After Effects quickly and easily using a video. Previously I made a background swapping tutorial using an image, but with video the process is a little different. Let's begin. First click Track Camera and wait for it to finish. Once it's done, create a null and camera in the background. Now you can drag and drop any background video you want to swap in. I randomly downloaded this beach footage from pxels.com. This video is 1080p. But it's better to download 4K footage for higher quality since we'll be scaling the video, and 1080p might not look as good. Let's enable 3D on the footage you downloaded. To make sure it's properly tracked and positioned, select the track null layer, press P on your keyboard to reveal its position, then copy and paste the position onto the footage you're swapping to. In my case it's the beach footage. Now press S and scale the video until it covers the entire background. To match the orientation of the beach footage with our clip, open the track null's transform settings, copy the orientation, and paste it onto the beach footage, just like you did with the position. After that you can reposition and scale the footage until it looks perfect. Now let's check if it's tracked perfectly. In my case it looks good, but I'll slightly adjust the X rotation. Now it looks better to me. Now we can go ahead and swap the beach with our original background. First let's toggle off the beach footage since we don't need to see it yet. Next I'll isolate the car from the background. To do that, duplicate the original video and drag the copy above the beach layer. To stay organized, I'll rename this layer to car only. Next make sure to delete the 3D camera tracker effect from that layer. Then select the roto brush tool, scroll to the beginning of the car only layer, and double click on it to start isolating. Make sure to rotoscope the car as smoothly and accurately as possible. Once you're done, click the freeze button. Once the freezing is done, close the rotoscoping window and toggle the beach layer back on. This is what it looks like so far. The next step is to blend the beach footage with our video as smoothly as possible. To do that, we need to mask our clip. Let's duplicate our original clip one more time and drag it below the beach layer. Delete the 3D camera tracker effect from it, then apply Mocha AE. If you don't have Mocha installed, I highly recommend it. After Effects native masking and tracking can be a bit tricky, and Mocha does a much better job when it comes to precise masking. I will also rename this layer to Mask to stay organized. Now let's jump into Mocha. I will select the pen tool and start masking the background like this. Once the mask is set, enable perspective and click the track forward button, then wait for the tracking to finish. Once the tracking is done, click Save and close Mocha AE. Now expand Matte and click on Create AE Masks. This converts the mask you created in Mocha into a native After Effects mask, so you can use it directly on your layer for compositing. Now we can swap the background by simply setting the beach layer's track matte to use the mask layer. This will reveal the beach footage only through the masked area. Click on Toggle Switches / Modes, then set the track matte of the beach layer to the mask layer. On the mask layer, expand the mask settings and adjust the feather and expansion values until the beach footage blends smoothly with the original clip. Keep tweaking until it looks natural. Let's quickly check it out. That looks so cool. If you're not happy with the position of the swapped background, feel free to adjust its position, rotation, and scale until it fits better. The final touch is smoothing the edges of the isolated car. Select the car only layer, and under the roto brush effect, increase the feather to around 15. Then slightly decrease the shift edge and set reduce chatter to 100% for a cleaner result. After that, make sure to enable motion blur on the beach layer. This will add natural motion blur to the footage. On the beach layer, you can also apply curves and adjust the lighting to match the clip. Additionally, you can apply lumetri color and tweak the colors as needed. Hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching and like the video please.